southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:30 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., Doppler radar indicated across the warned area between 0.5 rainfall is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorm. Radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may flash flooding include Trenton, Ewing, Princeton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Bordentown, Yardley, Allentown, Leghorn, Whitehorse, and Mercerville, Hamilton Square. This includes the following highways: New Jersey between mile markers 57 and 72. New Jersey Turnpike between 6 and 6. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 7. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 39 and 40. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 354 and 359. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.